Today I'm going to show you how to add alt text in Hostinger Website Builder, step by step, so you can improve your image accessibility and give your website a better chance to perform well in search. Alt text is one of those small SEO details that can make a big difference, especially if you want your site to be more readable for screen readers and easier for search engines to understand. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and SEO tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Hostinger Website Builder and go to the page where your image is located. Once you're on the canvas, click directly on the image element. When you select the image, you should see a floating action toolbar appear near it. This toolbar gives you quick access to image options without having to dig through menus. Now on that floating toolbar, click Edit Image. This will open the Image Settings panel on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you can control the image details and make important changes, including adding alt text. Next, look for the alt text field inside the Settings panel. This is the section you need for SEO and accessibility. Click inside that field and type a clear descriptive sentence that explains what the image shows. For example, if the image is of a kitchen, you could write something like modern kitchen interior with marble countertops. The goal is to describe the image naturally and accurately so that someone who cannot see it still understands what's there. A good tip here is to keep the alt text concise, relevant, and useful. You want to describe the image in a way that matches the page content, but avoid stuffing it with keywords. Search engines prefer natural language, and users benefit much more from honest descriptions than from repetitive SEO phrases. Once you've entered your alt text, click anywhere outside the panel to close it. That will keep your change in place while taking you back to the main editor view. After that, don't forget the most important final step. Click Publish or Update Website in the top right corner. This saves your SEO settings live, so your alt text actually goes onto the published version of your site. And that's it. You've now added alt text in Hostinger Website Builder the right way. It's quick, it's simple, and it helps both accessibility and SEO. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Hostinger Website Builder tips next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.